All right, let's dive into the world of banking and clear up a common misconception. Imagine you're walking down a familiar street in your hometown. You see the local bakery, the family-owned hardware store, and then, nestled between them, a large bank branch with a well-known name. It's been there for years, perhaps even decades. You bank there, your friends bank there, your neighbors bank there. It feels local, right? It's part of the community fabric. But what if I told you that this perception of local can sometimes be a bit misleading, especially when we talk about big names in finance? Today, we're unraveling a question that many of you might have asked yourselves: is TD Bank USA a local bank? It's a question that gets at the heart of how we perceive financial institutions, the scale of modern banking, and what local truly means in an increasingly interconnected world. For many, a local bank conjures images of a small, community-focused institution, deeply rooted in its immediate surroundings. They know their customers by name, support local businesses, and often have a more personalized touch. So, when a bank with a vast network and a recognizable brand like TD Bank USA comes into the picture, where does it fit? Does its physical presence in your town automatically qualify it as local? Let's dig deeper and separate perception from reality. First, let's establish some foundational facts about TD Bank USA. TD Bank, N.A., which operates in the United States, is actually a subsidiary of a much larger entity, the Canadian multinational TD Bank Group. So, right off the bat, we're talking about an institution whose ultimate parent company is not based in the U.S., but rather in Toronto, Canada. This immediately differentiates it from a truly independent, domestically chartered local bank. Now, while its roots are Canadian, TD Bank USA has a very significant presence in the United States. It operates primarily along the East Coast, serving customers in 15 U.S. states and Washington, D.C. With over 1,100 branches and more than 2,600 ATMs across this extensive footprint, it's certainly not a small, one-branch operation. In fact, it's one of the largest banks in the U.S. by deposits and total assets. Its history in the U.S. is also a story of growth through acquisitions, notably bringing together Banknorth and Commerce Bank to form what is now TD Bank, America's most convenient bank. This tagline itself speaks to a broad market strategy, not a hyperlocal one. So, while TD Bank USA might have a branch conveniently located in your neighborhood, and its employees might be active members of your community, the bank's operational structure, strategic decisions, and ultimate ownership are far from local in the traditional sense. It's a large, regional bank with a strong East Coast presence, part of an even larger international financial group. It offers a wide range of services, from retail and small business banking to wealth management and auto finance, catering to millions of customers. This scale allows for extensive digital banking options, a large ATM network, and a broad product offering that a truly small, local bank might not be able to match. The key takeaway here is that while TD Bank USA has a physical presence that might feel local, its structure and scope are distinctly those of a major regional, and ultimately, international banking institution. It's not a community bank owned and operated solely within a single town or county. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.